Hello students, let's continue KSET 2020 paper. If tan a plus cot a is equal to 2, then the value of tan power 4 a plus cot power 4 a is equal to how much? So what is given in the question? Tan a plus cot a is equal to 2. Squaring on both sides. On squaring on both sides, we'll have tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 tan a cot a is equal to 4. This can also be written tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 is equal to 4, or tan square a plus cot square a is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. Tan power 4 plus cot power 4 is equal. So again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides, we'll have tan power 4a plus cot power 4a plus 2 tan square a cot square a is equal to 4. So we can write here tan power 4 plus cot power 4, tan a into cot a is 1. So I will write here tan a into cot a is equal to 1. So we can write this is 2 into 1 square, that is 2 is equal to 4. So which implies that tan power 4 here a tan power 4 a plus cot power 4 a is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. Hence the problem. So option D. We'll move to the next question. 12th one. Given a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the number of subsets of A which contain at least 2 elements. If a set is containing some m elements, the number of subsets of A is equal to 2 to the power of m, right? So here in this set A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of elements in set A 6 are there. So total number of subsets. So let me write total number of subsets of A is equal to 2 to the power of 6, that is 64. But with a condition is given which contain at least 2 elements, which means to say that minimum 2 elements will be there in subset in each and every subset. So if 2 elements compulsory means what are the elements, what are the subsets we have to remove which contains no element and single element, that is empty set to be deleted, singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton set 3, similarly 4, 5 and 6. Total how many are there? These are the 7 subsets we have to delete from this total number of subsets. The remaining onwards we will be having minimum 2. So required number of subsets is nothing but 64 minus total here 6 plus 1 7. So your answer is 57. So option B is the answer. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Question number 13. If n of A is equal to 2 and total number of possible elements from set A to set B is 1024. Relations from A to B. So let me give an idea. Then he is asking number of elements in B. Number of relations from set A to set B is given as 2 to the power of n of A into n of B. Okay, this is what the formula we had. So here n of A is given 2 and the total relations are given 1024. So 2 to the power of 2 into number of elements in B is equal to 1024. 1024 is nothing but 2 to the power 10, right? So we can write 2 into, by comparing the powers, 2 into n of B is equal to 10. So which implies that n of B is equal to 5. So you can give the answer option C. So we'll move to the next. So the value of 16C9 plus 16C10 minus 16C6 minus 16C7 is how much? So here we can use 16C10 plus 16C9. So I will write the formula here. NCR plus NCR minus 1. We can write n plus 1 CR. We can use this formula. In permutations and combinations, we can use this formula. So 16C10 plus 16C9, and here if I take minus common and the remaining, I can write 16C7 plus 16C6. Similar to this formula, we can apply. So 16C10 plus 16C9, we can write 16 plus 1, that is 17C10 minus here we can write 17C7. And also one more, NCR is equal to NCS, which implies either R is equal to S, or R plus S is equal to N. So here 17C10 and 17C7, that because since 7 plus 10 is equal to 17, so we can say these both are equal. So I can add 17C10 minus 17C10. So the answer is 0. So which option? Option D, 14th. The next problem. The number of terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z whole to the power of 10. So just applying the formula we know from the multinomial, if a1 plus a2 plus and so on, some r terms are there, whole to the power some n, the number of terms in this, number of terms in the expansion is given n plus r minus 1c, r minus 1, n plus r minus 1c, r minus 1. So here in this problem, in x plus y plus z whole to the power of 10, number of terms is equal to n. N is 10 plus 3 minus 1c, 3 minus 1. So 10 plus 3, 13, 13 minus 1, 12c, 2. 12c2 value is 12 factorial by 2 factorial into 12 minus 2, that is 10 factorial. So we can add 12 into 11 into 10 factorial divided by 2 into 10 factorial. We can cancel this, and this is 6 11s are 66. So we can go with option D. Okay, correct.